How to create realistic VFX videos using Viggle AI. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up the official website of Viggle.ai, then click on this option of join the beta. This will prompt you to Discord. Just accept the invitation and join the room of Viggle AI, and then select any of the room over here in the create videos, and you would be able to create your videos. Now we would require some prompts in order to create videos over here. For that, we will open up the official website, then select the option of prompt over here, and here we get different kind of VFX. We can select any of the VFX and explore other options as well. Just simply scroll down or select it, and here you get different kinds of VFX. Now suppose you want to put your photo or your face into this particular VFX dance, so just simply click on it. Here you can preview it and simply check it out how it looks, and after that click on this option of copy and just choose it according to your gender, or you can also select it irrespective of the gender. And after that, copy this particular command, and after it is copied successfully, click on this option of OK, and then go to the Discord room of Viggle AI, and over here you need to press / and after that select the option of animate. Now drag and drop your photo over here, and you can also upload your image using the upload section. And in the motion prompt, just simply paste the code or the prompt that we just copied, and then click on the option of background. Select white or green according to your needs and requirements. Selecting green would be better, as you would be able to easily remove the green screen and use your video in any of the videos of yours. And when it comes to fine tune, it would be better if you could just select on. If you could just select it on the on section, and it's quite fine even if you use the off, and you can see the changes yourself for that. After doing all of this, just hit enter, and this way you would be able to create a video of yours just like this. And after that, you can simply download it and use it and utilize it in your videos. And in order to select or do any of the other VFX videos, all you have to do is just simply select or go through any other videos. Just simply select them and repeat the process that we just saw over here, and this way you would be able to create or recreate VFX videos quite easily. Now this is just one of the ways that we have discussed in this video. There are two more ways to create VFX videos on Viggle AI, and the prompts are different for them. Instead of animate, you would have to click on mix, or the other options are also available. We will see it on some other videos. So for now, I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.